How to pay Macy's credit card online. So if you want to pay Macy's credit card online, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your browser, go with search, and under search you need to search for Macy's. Once you've searched, you need to go with the website, go with www.macys.com, and it will take you to this kind of interface. Now you just need to simply scroll all the way down, and here you will have an option to pay your credit card bill. So in my region it's not available, but if you have added your credit card, or if you have the credit card, then you will have the option of pay the credit card bill. Or you can also simply go with a new tab and then search for Macy's credit card payment and go with my account and credit card section. And here you will have the option to pay your credit card bill, or you can just simply scroll all the way down, and here you will have pay your credit card bill option. So you just need to simply click on it. Once you click on it, it will ask you to sign in to your account. Once you sign in, you just need to simply go with the following steps and you'll be able to pay your credit card bill. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.